Hey folks, it's me, Wayne, in the big blue van. I just want to show you real quick, usually what I eat every morning. I love food and I love to eat. And I just cooked this up on my little Coleman propane stove here. Nothing fancy, just basic old Walmart cook stove. Got in my Dometic refrigerator, which is awesome. I mean, that's better than ice cream there, and I made me fried me up 4 eggs, made me some homemade biscuit and gravy. I just didn't want to take time to show you getting the flour and the salt and all that. It just takes too long. That's actually homemade gravy. I had a little bit of leftover ground beef from last night where I just made me a hamburger. I don't like keeping meat too long. It just, I'm just afraid of getting sick and all that. But anyway, I fried it up, put it in the gravy with bread, big old glass of milk, and over there I had my coffee. And this is pretty much every morning routine for me. Unless for some reason I can't do it. Either way, just because you live in a van don't mean you're living off peanut butter and crackers every day. And you eat like a king in the van too. But anyway, I'll check back with you later on today once I get going. What is the day? Today is Saturday. Once I get going, get outside, I got a few things I need to do to the van. Like I mentioned, seal that window. But anyway, we'll worry about that later. Whenever I get out and get going, I'll check back in with you. All right, thanks.